Good afternoon, friends. It's a new lectures of related to stereochemistry, and today I will discuss about conformations, configuration, racemic mixtures, and projections, and and types of projections and related projections related questions, whose are very important for a examination point of view. Okay, let's start. Racemic mixtures. What is a racemic mixture? In case in a mixture present a R and S form present in a same proportions, mean to present in a 50-50%, that type of a mixture is called a racemic mixture. But that racemic mixture compound is not a chiral compound in a initial form. It means this reaction form a racemic mixtures formation reaction. So this compound is not a chiral not a present a chiral carbon in a initial stage. This carbon is a this carbon not a chiral carbon. Why? Because chiral means carbon have a 4 bond, and in case all bonds are attached to different group, then that carbon is a chiral carbon. And in case carbon not attached to different group, means that carbon is not a chiral carbon. And for a optical activity, chirality is a necessity, because asymmetric compound show a optical activity. And then firstly this compound, so this compound initially not a present chiral carbon, but after attacking of a nucleophile, this it's a nucleophile. Why is a nucleophile? Because it has a high electron density, and carbon is a electrophile. Why? Because carbon attached to oxygen, and oxygen is a highly electronegative compared to carbon, and because of a electronegativity, oxygen attract to carbon electron towards it, and because of a attraction, carbon convert into electrophile, then nucleophile attack on carbon. And after attacking, this type of structures get, and after a workup H2O will break into a H plus and H2O, and H hydrogen have a positive charge, then positive and negative charge form a bond. Then after a workup form this structures. Okay, and this structure this in this structures carbon is a chiral carbon. Why? Because all bonds are attached to different group, not attached to same group. Then this carbon is a convert into chiral carbon, and because of a presence of a chirality, this mixture give a show a optical activity when plane polarized light pass through this mixture, and give two types rotations will be possible. First is a R form, and second is a S form. But in this mixtures R and S form both are present in a same proportions, means 50-50 proportion, 50% proportion. So it's a racemic mixtures, and cancel out each others. Okay, and what is a conformation and configurations? Friends, I am only teaching about a very important topic, who's important for a net and gate point of view, not discuss all topics of a chemistry, only discuss important topic. Okay, okay, start. Conformation, it's a conformation, and here is a configuration. Conformation means one bond fixed and another bond rotate around a fixed bond. It's a fixed bond, but after a rotation another bond are rotate around a fixed bond. This form we will get, then it's called it's a conformation. And configuration means two bond fix and other bond are rotate. Here is a two bond fix and other bond rotate, and after a rotations we will get this structure. It's called, it is a configuration because two bond fixed, is it is a conformation because one bond fixed. Okay, and projection is nothing, it's only a three-dimensional structure of a chemicals compound. It's called a projection, and through the projections we can easily identify any compound, because compound present in a 3D structures. Okay, and for a configurations study, it's a plain bond. That type of a bond is a plain bond. It's a base bond. and that bond show कि that bond present in front of observer. Okay, and it's a dash bond, and it's a below the plane, and that bond show कि that bond present on a back side of a compound, means ये पीछे side है, back side है. Okay, और ये front side है. Okay, and many types projections. Here is a type of a projection, and it's my strategy. Firstly, I discuss about projection types, then conversion and conversion related questions. Many types questions I will discuss. Okay, so it's a flying wave projection, it's a sawhorse projection, but one thing is a very important for you. Always remember, in a left side of your hand always present a back bond, means dash bond. This bond is a back, it's a ये हमारे पीछे साइड है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ अ बैक बॉन्ड एंड ऑलवेज इट मीन्स बिलो द प्लेन एंड ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन अ लेफ्ट साइड, and it means you are stand in this position, then it's your left hand and it's your right hand. So always your left hand side is a back bond या dash bond, and your right hand side always present a waist bond. Okay, that bond is a above the plane, that bond is a below the plane. It means ये पीछे side है और ये front side है. It's a very important information when we will solve many questions. Okay, and in a sawhorse projection, it's a sawhorse projection. This it's a front carbon and it's a back carbon, and it's a left side means dash bond and it's a right side means wedge bond. Here is a left side, it means dash bond, and here is a right side, it means wedge bond. Okay, so here present it's a representation, that type of a discussion. Okay, please always remember that information. And image of a Newman projections, many types of Newman projections. It's a front carbon, in a center it's a front carbon, it's a front carbon, red side, red color, then it's a front carbon. Always remember, in between front carbon present and a large circle is a back carbon. It's a back carbon, means this is a large circle and this is a back carbon. It's a front carbon and large circle is a back carbon, and it's a red bond is a for a front carbon bond, and blue bond for a back carbon bond. Okay, for your identifications, I show a color also, and here is a here so it's a front carbon. Okay, it's a front carbon and it's a back carbon. Then it's a down bond, it's a down bond, and it's a dash and it's a base bond. It's a down bond. Okay, and for a back carbon bond. Okay, and here is a for this structure, this is this Newman projection for this Sawhorse structure. Here is a red, and here is a back carbon bond is here, and it's a front carbon and it's a back carbon, means large circle, or always remember for a back carbon, and a point of in a large circle, or always remember it's a front carbon. So it's a Newman projection and a Fisher projection. A Fisher projection is important for a carbohydrate compound, and in a Fisher projection only a plane rotation is possible, in a plane rotation. Okay, and here is a left side means dash bond, and here is a right side means base bond. Okay, and okay, let's start question. For a first question for you, convert, it's a Sawhorse projection, both are a Sawhorse projection, and it's your question, this form convert into this form. So how many rotation is possible for a conversion of this form to this form. How many rotation possible? Okay, then start. It's a long process and it's a trick for you. Okay, it's in a long process. Then firstly rotate a 120 degree. Then after a rotation of a 120 degree, this is textures we will get. And then for this bond here, so this bond D, it's a D. So D is a present in a center side, center no. So this bond is also need for a center. Okay, then again 60 degree also rotation possible. Then after a 60-degree rotations we will get this type of structures. Okay, then it's a long process, but in your exam after a 120-degree rotation, so then it's a trick for you, diagonal change. Okay, rotate change to the diagonal. So here is a it's a base bond, it's a dash bond, and it's a plane bond. Okay, and rotate in a this form. Okay, it's a question. Then diagonal form change, it's change to diagonal form. To this bond diagonal to this means D is present here. After a 120 degree 180 degree rotation, diagonal form will be possible. Okay, it means change to diagonal, not do any type of a long process in your exam time, not do only remember in a 180 degree rotation, after a 180 degree rotation diagonal change will be possible and change to diagonal form. Then here is a E, it means E present here, and here is a F, means F goes here, and D here, then D is here. Then this form structures we will get. That it's a trick to change into diagonal form. Okay, it's a one questions, and other many questions are also solved to the this method and this trick. And for it's this trick is for a Shor's projection, and one trick also for a Fisher projection, because in a Fisher projection only in a plane rotation is allowed. Then it's an example. Through my example I will explain. See, here is a this is in this structures rotate. Then after rotation, for this bond this rotation is possible. Okay, and for because the only plane rotation is possible, and for this bond rotate this type and rotate this type. Then after rotations we will get hydrogen rotate direct this form, then hydrogen present in this here, and hydroxy rotate then here, and this group rotate, and okay, then coming this here. Okay, so this is the structure. After a rotation we get this type of a structure. But for this compound rotate a 180 degree, it's a question for you. Then again we go through in a long process. No, it's not a need any long process. Here is also a trick is available, and according to trick only change in a diagonal. Okay, it means after a 180 degree rotations change diagonal. Okay, means here it's a diagonal, and it's a diagonal form. Then change into hydrogen here, then hydrogen change into, and here present in a hydrogen here, and after a diagonal change hydrogen is here, and after a diagonal change ethyl group here, then reach in this place, and after a diagonal change chlorine group here, then reach this place. Then it's a right answer for this question. Okay, and not need any long procedure for a solving of this question. Always remember in for a 180 degree rotations always a diagonal diagonal rotation is a possible, means diagonal change is not a rotation, sorry, diagonal change is a possible in a 180 degree rotation. It's a trick only. Okay, for a solving of a question within a few minutes. Okay, thank you friend, and in my next lectures I will explain many questions related to projections and conversion also. Okay, thank you.